At Accumold, we look for team members who can continue to innovate with us and operate on the cutting edge of micromold manufacturing. There's absolutely a place here for someone with 20 or 30 years of experience, but we're also a great place for people who are just getting started.
So here at Accumold, we work with some of the smallest parts in the world, and they're very complicated, and we have some very high-tech machinery that we have to use to be able to manufacture these parts. So every day, there's a lot of challenge that goes into thinking of ways to do different things to manufacture the parts we sell our customers.
Our talented team serves customers from around the world, and together we solve some of our customers' biggest challenges. We call it Micro Solutions for Big Innovations. Our diverse group of employees produce critical components for companies in the most efficient way possible. Utilizing engineering processes developed from our micromold technology, we design, build, and produce unique molds and parts efficiently for markets that include medical, micro-optics, microelectronics, automotive electronics, and other emerging technologies.
From our beginning in 1985, we have been recognized as a high-tech manufacturer of precision micro, small, and injection molded plastic components. Our success has always come from the incredible talent of our team. We believe our greatest asset is our people. There are many functions at Accumold that all work in concert to serve our customers. Our process begins with our sales team in the field, to our project engineers, mold designers, and tool makers. Our production and quality assurance teams make sure what we ship to our customers' factories around the globe is a high-quality product. Our business is growing, and so is our team. Let's talk about what team at Accumold interests you and fits with your goals.
What I like most about working at Accumold is that each department has different experts that bring something to the table, and it's a collaborative effort to problem solve for our internal and external customers.
Visit accu-mold.com/careers to learn more and start your journey with Accumold.